What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to talk about the fact that I'm actually thinking about looking at the Dodge Ram, because initially I said I was looking at the Durango, and not too long ago I went back. I went to the dealership and I sat in a Dodge Ram, and I was super impressed with the amount of space that's in the Dodge Ram in the back, because the whole point is my boys are growing every day. They're getting taller and taller, and according to the doctors, man, my sons are going to be at least 6'5", 6'6". I'm 6'4", so naturally they're probably going to be tall. And right now my boys are young and they're almost 6 feet. So in a couple years, or maybe sooner, I'm definitely gonna have to get a bigger ride. You know what I'm saying? So, not necessarily saying I'm gonna trade my car in, but my wife currently has a GMC Acadia, and I know for sure we're probably gonna have to trade that thing in sooner than later. So I figured I might as well go ahead and start looking now, because you just never know. You might have to do it, maybe, might have to do it sooner than we think. Of course, I like the Durango better, only because I can get an SRT Durango, but the Ram is definitely an option, because when you sit in the back, there's so much leg room, it's almost hard to deny it. Now, I'm not a big fan of riding around in a pickup truck, but the pickup trucks nowadays are a lot nicer than they were in the past, so that's the only reason why I'm even considering looking at a pickup truck. Because other than that, I wouldn't even be a consideration. And the way Dodge got these Dodge Rams looking now, man, it's definitely something I'm interested in looking at, and I probably will go and test drive one. So I just wanted to make a video, man, talking about the Ram. I know some of you guys actually have a Dodge Ram. So if you can leave a comment, let me know the reliability, any issues you've had with your Dodge Ram, because that's definitely a serious consideration. Trust and believe, I've looked at several different SUVs. I've looked at the GMC Denali. I've looked at the Chevy Tahoe. I've looked at all the big SUVs that was, at a reasonable price. And the GMC Denali is definitely out of my price range, but a Tahoe is not too expensive. They're around 50,000 or so.
The price is wrong, bitch.
But you can always negotiate that. But the Ram, with all these different specials and discounts they be having on the Ram, that's something I would definitely consider. Because again, if I could have it my way, I definitely would go with the Dodge Durango. But when I look at what's practical and what really works for me and my family, the Ram is definitely more of a real option. Here in the near future, I'm gonna go and test drive one, just to get a real accurate review of it and see if it really is something that I'm gonna consider buying. So I don't know, guys, man. That's the situation I'm looking at. I guess I just have to cross that bridge when the time comes, because I really do like the Dodge Ram. I don't have anything against buying a pickup, but I don't know. It's kind of up in the air. I don't know if my wife necessarily want to drive around in a pickup. That's part of why we decided to go with the Acadia, because she's not a real big pickup fan, but considering how nice that Ram is, she might reconsider. She hasn't driven it, or neither have I, so we'll see, man. We will see. So leave your thoughts, man. Leave your comments. Let me know how you liking your Dodge Ram. If you have one, especially if you got a newer one, because even the older ones are nice. And my main objective is the space. That's the main thing I'm concerned with. because again, my boys are going to be tall, and you know, they only 11 and 13, so I got a little ways to go before they start driving. So we definitely got to have a vehicle that we all can fit in comfortably. You know, the Acadia is cool. You know, we got space now, you know, but I'm pretty sure within the next year or so, because these boys are growing rapidly. I mean, it seems like every day I wake up, man, they're getting taller and taller. So definitely got to take that in consideration. I mean, that Durango SRT is nice, man. You know, even the RT, you know, I'll drive the RT. And plus it's a little cheaper than the SRT, obviously. But when you look at the space, the pickup is definitely, it has more leg room in the back. So we'll see, man. So that's what this video is about, man. Leave your comments. And if it's your first time joining my channel, man, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.